So guys, we want to change the machine of this Samsung. I want to see whether it will work. So I'm going to remove this one. I want to put it on this one. So here we go. Don't worry about my tools. I don't have proper tools. So this is machine. This is machine for Galaxy. It's machine for Galaxy Note 20. This is for Galaxy Note 20. So this LCD, it's no longer working. It's broken. I don't know. It didn't want to switch on. So here we are going to remove everything. Sorry. So we want to remove everything here. We want to remove everything. Here we go, guys. Just keep watching. Because I'm going to show. I'm going to show you how to fix this thing. So as you can see, here we go. It's step by step, guys. No need to rush. So here is our old frame. We want to put this one. This one is fine, but the person says phone just went off, so we want to check which phone is a problem. Here we're going to put back this one. It will hold this sheet. So here we go. What's going on here? I'm not going to put camera because I just want to test. So here is our machine. Our machine is coming here. As you can see, guys, I didn't take much time. It's very easy. It's very easy. This is easy job. So we want to test. So I'm not going to put all the things back. As you can see, I am almost. So here is my battery. Was on charger. I was boosting it. This is how you boost battery. Like it was having like more than 2 years. This phone just be in my room. So here we go. Make sure you don't even make mistake here. Right. This is the cover. We cover our battery back. Guys, we don't have much time here. We don't have much time. Here is our battery. We'll put back our battery. Should I? No. I should wait a little bit. Should put this first. Yeah. Make sure you are doing the right thing when fixing this one. Yeah. So I'm going to put back my battery. Here's my battery. So we want to put it on to check whether it's working. Whether it's working or not. So I want to find something, or should I put a charger to check whether it's working or not? As you can see, charger is not responding. It's not responding at all. So we want to try, like, I must put it on. Let me try to, okay. Want to try to put it on. It's refused. Let me try it again. Maybe the battery doesn't have enough power. Or should I hear the vibrating sound? There is no vibrating sound here. So there is nothing. Let's wait and see again.